Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have one.
Is that your dog?
Yes, my own dog.
What is his name?
His name is Max.
Is Max a good dog?
Yes, very good dog.
How old is Max?
He is 2 years.
Is 2 years young?
Yes, still very young.
Is Max a small dog?
Yes, small and cute.
What breed is he?
He is a terrier.
Is Terrier a good breed?
Yes, very friendly breed.
Is Max friendly?
Yes, very friendly dog.
Does Max like people?
Yes, he loves everyone.
Does Max bite?
No, never ever bites.
Is Max trained well?
Yes, very well trained.
What tricks does he know?
Sit, stay, and shake.
Did you train him yourself?
Yes, I trained him.
Was training difficult?
A little. Needs patience.
Is patience important with dogs?
Yes, very important always.
How long did training take?
About 3 months total?
Does Max listen to you?
Yes, mostly he does.
Does Max sleep inside?
Yes, he sleeps inside.
Where does Max sleep?
He sleeps in bed.
Does he sleep with you?
Yes, every single night.
Is that comfortable?
Yes, he is small.
What does Max eat?
Special dried dog food.
Does Max eat vegetables?
Sometimes carrots and beans.
Do dogs like vegetables?
Some dogs do, yes.
Is dog food expensive?
A little, but worth it.
Do you buy it monthly?
Yes, 1 bag monthly.
Do you walk Max daily?
Yes, twice every day.
Is walking dogs important?
Yes, very important indeed.
How long do you walk?
About 30 minutes each.
Does Max enjoy walks?
Yes, he loves walks.
Does Max run in park?
Yes, he runs fast.
Is Max fast?
Yes, surprisingly, very fast.
Does Max play fetch?
Yes, his favorite game.
What does he fetch?
He fetches his ball.
Is the ball his favorite toy?
Yes, favorite toy always.
Does Max have many toys?
Yes, about 5 toys.
Does Max play with other dogs?
Yes, loves other dogs.
Are dogs social animals?
Yes, very social indeed.
Does Max have dog friends?
Yes, 2 dog friends.
Do you meet them in park?
Yes, every single morning.
Do the dogs play together?
Yes, they run together.
Is it fun to watch?
Yes, very funny sometimes.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I love dogs.
Did you always want a dog?
Yes, since I was young.
When did you get Max?
2 years ago exactly.
Was Max a puppy then?
Yes, tiny little puppy.
Was he cute as puppy?
Yes, extremely cute puppy.
Do you have photos of him?
Yes, hundreds of photos.
Do you post them online?
Yes, friends love them.
Do people like dog photos?
Yes, everyone loves dogs.
Does Max like the camera?
Yes, he always poses.
Is Max a funny dog?
Yes, very funny always.
Does Max make you happy?
Yes, every single day.
Do dogs make good pets?
Yes, best pets ever.
Are dogs loyal animals?
Yes, most loyal animals.
Do you prefer dogs or cats?
I prefer dogs always.
Why do you prefer dogs?
Dogs are more playful.
Do you like cats too?
Cats are nice too.
Does Max like cats?
Not really, gets excited.
Do you have other pets?
No, just Max here.
Do you want more pets?
Maybe a fish someday.
Are fish easy to keep?
Yes, quite easy pets.
Do fish need much care?
Just food and clean water.
Are pets good for health?
Yes, reduce stress greatly.
Does Max reduce your stress?
Yes, always calms me.
Do you feel happy with Max?
Yes, very happy always.
Is Max part of your family?
Yes, important family member.
Does your family love Max?
Yes, everyone loves him.
Who feeds Max at home?
I feed him always.
Who walks Max when you are busy?
Dad walks him then.
Does Dad like Max?
Yes, Dad loves Max.
Will you always keep Max?
Yes, forever and always.
Do dogs live long?
About 10 to 15 years.
Will you be sad when he is old?
Yes, but enjoy now.
Do you love Max?
Yes, so very much.
Is Max your best friend?
Yes, my best friend.
Thank you for showing Max.
Come play with him.